Hi. I think one way I would help, kids, access their student prior knowledge is, just kind of maybe doing like surveys or like pre-questions kind of things. I know at my school that I'm at, in my internet, they use like the Microsoft Forms, and she has these questionnaires and stuff like that, or I think like Canvas kind of have questionnaires and all that. So kind of like things like that, kind of like pre-testing, in a way, just to see, as far as where they are at, as far as what you want and expect, and then again, results come back, and then find out you need to, maybe touch on some things, prerequisites for whatever lesson that you want to teach. And so I think that's a kind of a big thing for kids. They need it, and so yeah.